So AI as the new battleground for the infrastructure as a service providers. Heavy investment in AI infrastructure by hyperscalers, AWS, Microsoft, and Google suggests that AI is becoming the central driver of cloud innovation. Providers are racing to deliver AI-optimized infrastructure as a service solution, despite AI currently accounting for only a small fraction of their revenue, because enterprises haven't really got up to speed with it yet. This investment will likely define future market winners and losers in the cloud space. Yeah, I believe this to be the case. In other words, enterprises are moving headlong into AI systems, are looking around at the different platform options that they have to do. And obviously the public cloud providers are going to be the easy button for AI because they're, everything is going to be there as a service. You're able to turn on a complete ecosystem, on demand, where if you're, using your own hardware, you're going to have to configure most of that stuff yourself, or you can leverage an AI private cloud, or you can leverage a managed service provider. There you have AI offerings and the ability to provide an ecosystem for you. And public cloud providers are not the cheaper choice. They're typically the most expensive. And so as enterprises are looking at these big compute bills to deal with training and inference that AI is going to need, public cloud providers at the bottom of the list, and I'm talking about all of them, not just AWS, because of the amount of money and investment and lock-in that you're going to experience when you move to a hyperscaler, a big public cloud provider. And also the rise of the alternatives, sovereign clouds, specialized cloud providers, CoreWeave, GPU as a service, things like that. And of course, managed service providers and co-location providers that we just mentioned are all going to be cheaper alternatives, and in many cases, way cheaper alternatives.